This will be a crucial skill to master in the event you are kidnapped by aliens and suspended in animation for some number of years, or millions of years, or billion years, and you need to tell them which planet you've come from, because they've labeled all the food by the planet they collected them from, but the labels all got mixed up. So we gotta find where we are. So we're guessing, if it's a named object, that we're not so far from the Virgo Supercluster that we can't see it. Oh god, is it pronounced Virgo or Virgo? Anyway, I wonder if that's it. Hope that is. Anything else looks like it could be a supercluster? Well, let's take a look. Let's try and find the brightest thing in there. We're hoping to find M87. It's the brightest in the supercluster. It's our ticket home. Is that it? I think that's it. Okay. See these 4 stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. That had been the brightest. It dims down a little as you get close. But those 4 stars are the key. We'll call them 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I will click to confirm that this is indeed M87. Let's see. It is indeed. You shouldn't even need to click to confirm it. It's these 4 stars here. Alright, star 1 is going to be the top of a triangle, star 2 is going to be the bottom left of a triangle, galaxy 3, these are galaxies, not star, is going to be the bottom right of the triangle. God help me. Galaxy 3, by the way. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, that's it. There it is. There's your triangle. We are going to send from Galaxy 1 to Galaxy 3 a line. It's going to bounce off this galaxy to here. I'm guessing that's the Milky Way. I'm going to click now and click it. It is! Nice. Luckily, even if we don't click it for the information, we're just going to go in blind. The Milky Way has something special about it that makes it look different from every other galaxy, both in real life, but especially in SpaceEngine, thankfully. And that is, it is a 3-in-1 galaxy. We have the Magellanic Clouds right by our galaxy. And they make it look like multiple galaxies in one. There it is. There's the big thing. There's its little, there are those Magellanic clouds around it. Think hydrogen atom. Think Mickey Mouse. The big thing with 2 little things. There they are. Let's put those Magellanic clouds at 1 o'clock. And look down at the galaxy, the Milky Way. You don't even need to click it. You know that this is the one. Alright, now we've got to find the Earth. And to find the Earth, we need to find the Carina Nebula. Alright. Magellanic Clouds at 1 o'clock. Around 3 or 4 o'clock, you should see a little pink dot. It's going to stand out. There it is. It just popped into view. That pink dot. Let's slow down. Don't want to go too fast. Make sure you can see all the stars. And there we go. We're going to notice that it has a very unusual shape here. Like this brush shape, like this arrow. We have got a line here. There's the nebula. And there's another bright yellow star. We're still looking down on the galaxy. It points at a bright star. That bright star is Deneb. I will now click to demonstrate that it is indeed Deneb, but you don't have to. Yep, it's Deneb. Okay, so there is beautiful Deneb. It's the star you can see with your naked eye quite clearly. And below that, as we zoom in, just so slowly, we point to Deneb, and then we make a triangle here. We have Aldura, and I think Wezen, but just remember, we have this triangle. Look down near the bottom of that triangle. There's a bright star on that line, right next to 3 stars in a row. Those 3 stars are in fact Orion's belt, although recent data indicates they might not actually be that close to each other in real life, so be cautious of that. That bright star there is Rigel. I'll click to demonstrate that it is Rigel. It is indeed. We are going to, this star we're actually going to go to. This is the bottom of Orion, bottom right of Orion. We're all coming in from Orion here. Getting closer, getting closer. These bright stars are like lighthouses, aren't they? There's so many stars between you and them that you can't even see. Getting closer, closer, closer. All right, good enough. Now, look at the center of the galaxy. Make sure the clouds are below the galaxy. Let's find the center. There it is, beautiful Sagittarius. Up to the left, you will see, there it is, the Pleiades, a little blue cluster of stars that you can also see on any cold winter night in the northern hemisphere. Let's click to confirm it's the Pleiades. Yes, nothing like it. Okay, let's go to the Pleiades, this blue cloud. There we go. Slowly, these are known as the Seven Sisters, and you can see them during the winter in the northern hemisphere. One of the few naked eye clusters that you can see, and then we're going to fly through the other one. From the Pleiades, the next step is one of the trickiest, but you should be able to pull it off. Let's slow down. Start to look at the center of the galaxy and start to move side to side just a little bit. Just enough so that you see the Pleiades moving across the screen. You'll see something else, a group of stars sticking together. Those are the Hyades. Beyond it, there are 2 stars just to the left of it that also seem to be at about the same distance. That should be Oculus Tauri, also known as Aldebaran, or the Bullseye. To find that reliably, let's get into the center of the Hyades. slow down. Move just enough to go so that the Hyades are floating across your screen, looking at the center of the galaxy, looking up from the center of the galaxy. There is something that is moving, slower than the Hyades, faster than everything else, a bright yellow star. That is Aldebaran. Move towards it, and just up to the left of that is Capella. Here, we'll click to verify. Aldebaran, Capella. Like a cappella, like singing. We're almost home. Let's move up to Capella. And look at, doesn't have to be perfect, look at the center of the galaxy once more. Slow us down. Alright, we are looking for a symbol that is moving together. It's right here. See that moving? It looks like a square root thing. 1, 2, 3. So we have these 4 stars. They are Procyon, Sirius, Alpha Centauri, and the Sun. Let's just click. If that's the Sun, there it is. You keep this, just by going side to side, you make these stars stand out against the background while moving towards the center of the galaxy. And there is the Sun. From here, you just need to look for the 3rd rock, and which will involve some slowing down. A lot of slowing down. It is close. It's close, of course. Going to get really close. 1 AU a second. We are 1 AU away from the Sun. And there we go. That double bright thing. The moon is pretty bright and close relative to most moons. And there it is, Earth. Good job, everyone. Try not to crash into too hard. Safely landed in the Sahara. And that is how to find home in SpaceEngine. Good luck.